Hey guys, it's Rita. So today I'm going to take a wire basket. I'm going to use 3 bags of these wood stems, hot glue, and 4 sunflower picks. So to get started, I'm just going to hot glue these wood stems all the way around the basket. And if you want, you can wrap some jute twine around the top. I did not because my flowers covered it. I may go back in later and do this. And I didn't do anything with the handle either. So I'll let you take a look at the video. I did have a problem with the wood stems starting to kind of lean to the side as I glued them on, but if you have a gap, just get a wood stem in a straight position and then go in over top of the gap with another wood stem. I hope that makes sense. And just a warning, you will have a lot of hot glue to clean up, and this did take several glue sticks. So now I've taken 4 of the sunflower pics and placed in the basket, and I'm just arranging them over top of that wire because I did not wrap it in jute or anything, and it works just fine. Okay guys, here it is. I think it turned out great. It didn't take very long to do, maybe 30 minutes. And you can wrap that top in jute, or you could spray paint your basket. But I just pulled the flowers over and you can't see it where it's sitting. So thank you to all my subscribers for supporting me. If you like what you see, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.